Now children, after discussion of VBT, right, formation of different types of covalent bonds, sigma bonds, pi bonds, right. Next is discussion of hybridization. VBT is based on overlapping, right. Before overlapping, what happens? Formation of hybridization, right. What is called hybridization? In biology, hybrid it means mixed character. In chemistry, hybridization it means when orbitals possess mixed characters, right? Like S character, P character. Character of S orbital and character of P orbitals is known as hybrid orbital, right? Now, what is called hybridization? Intermixing of atomic orbitals of slightly different energies, right? And to produce hybrid orbitals to equalize their energies for formation of chemical bonds by overlapping is known as hybridization. Okay children? Intermixing of atomic orbitals. What is required? Pure atomic orbitals. Now, features of hybridizations. What are common features? Number of hybrid orbitals is always equal to number of hybrid orbitals is equal to the number of atomic orbitals. Second feature, hybrid orbitals are more effective than atomic orbitals. All hybrid orbitals are equivalent in energies and shape. Okay children, these are important features of hybrid orbitals. Now children, types of hybridization. First is sp3 hybridization, right? sp3 hybridization, it means how many s orbital? Only one. And how many p orbitals are present? 3 p orbitals are present. Total number of orbitals 1s plus 3p is equal to 4 orbitals which are hybrid in nature. Hybrid in nature. Okay children? For this type of hybridization in organic compounds, what is required? Single bonded compounds, right? Single bonded, like hydrocarbons of alkane family. Alkane family, for example, CH4. Clear? Because in alkane family, one carbon is attached with 4 atoms. And this number of atoms is equal to number of hybrid orbitals. Okay children, now what is first step of hybridization? First step, electron configuration of central atom, right? Central atom is carbon, EC of carbon. In which state? Ground state of energy. Ground means low energy state, bottommost state, which is shown putting naught. This is naught. Atomic number of carbon is 6. In terms of subshell, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, right? Then excited form. Excited form means when some high temperature is provided, heating is done. At high temperature, then state of atom is known as excited form, which is shown by this star. Number is same. These are valence electrons. According to VBT, only valence electrons participate in chemical bond formation, right? Then what happens? Okay children, in excited form of carbon atom, what happens? Jumping of s electron into p orbitals. Here what is written in ground state? 2p2 is written. And according to Ohm's rule, how many electrons are present, one electron in each p orbital, like this, px, py. Pz is empty, right? On hitting, jumping of this s electron to p electron, right? Then how many half-filled atomic orbitals are available? 4, right? Here how many atoms are attached? 4. For hybridization, same number of atomic orbitals are required, right? Then what happens, children? Hybridization is shown by enclosing these half-filled orbitals which participate. According to this one, 4 orbitals are participating in hybridization, intermixing of energies, right? Intermixing of atomic orbitals to equalize energy, because energy of S is not equal to P, although principal quantum number is same, right? Then what happens after intermixing? Each orbital is known as sp3. Here one orbital of S participates and 3 orbitals of P. Then according to features of hybridization, after intermixing of atomic orbitals, each orbital is known as hybrid orbital, which is equal in energy. Then all hybrid orbitals are in equal energy state. Now after intermixing, children, second feature, all hybrid orbitals are equal in shape, right? Equal in energy. What is the shape? Dumbbell shape, but this is orbital notation. Each one is sp3. This one is also sp3, sp3 and sp3. It possesses mixed character, hybrid character, right? And how many electrons are present? 1. For bond formation, pair of electrons is required, not more than 2 electrons or more than this one, odd electron, right? 1. Here electrons align in which direction? Clockwise direction or upward direction. With carbon, 4 hydrogen atoms are attached. Then overlapping between 2. This is one s orbital of one hydrogen, s orbital of second hydrogen. I am writing here s, like this, s orbital of third hydrogen, s orbital of fourth hydrogen, right? Atomic number is 1. Electrons in each atomic orbital, right? 1 electron. Electron is written in which direction, is drawn in which direction, in opposite direction, right? Here electron spins in upward direction, here electron spins in downward direction. Okay, children? After hybridization, what is next concept? Overlapping between hybrid orbital of central atom and atomic orbitals. This vertical line is showing overlapping, right? Then after overlapping always results chemical bond formation, right? Here all hybrid orbitals of same atom, which is central atom. Clear? Here p character is more. 3 p orbitals are present in this hybrid orbital. What is its shape? Dumbbell, right? And how many hybrid orbitals are present? 4. Then how many lobes are required? 4 lobes, like this. Okay, children? I discussed in previous section, previous content, geometrical shape. When 4 bonded electrons are present, then geometrical shape is always tetrahedral. Okay? Then what is its shape? When all 4 corners are joined, tetrahedral. Shape is tetrahedral. What is missing in this structure? Atomic orbitals of 4 hydrogen atoms. S is spherical, spherical, right? This is hybrid orbital sp3. This one is also sp3. This one 4 sp3, right? 4 hybrid orbitals of sp3 type, and this is s orbital. And how many electrons are present here? 1 pair, like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Again 1 and 2. Okay, children? This is hybrid structure of CH4. This is hybrid structure. Right? What is bonding structure? Bonding like this. C and shape is tetrahedral. Right? So this is the difference between children. Difference between at the bonding structure and hybrid structure. In case of hybrid, what is required? Loop. Shape of orbital, and in case of bonding only sharp line. Right? Now second type of hybrid addition is sp2 type of hybrid addition. sp2, it means double bonded compounds. Right? In organic chemistry. Right? Or what is required? Triangular shape. Right? For example, Br3 in inorganic compound shows this type of hybrid addition, and any alkene in double bonded state shows same type of hybrid addition. Steps are common, children. First step, EC in ground state, then EC in excited form. Right? And what happens? Jumping of electron. Jumping of electron. In this case, how many carbon atoms are present? 2, right? Same electron configuration of excited carbon, right? Then how many orbitals are present? This is second atom of carbon. This one is inner electron, outer electrons. Right? Double bonded, it means one is always sigma, second pi, and single bond always sigma, sigma. In CH4, 4 hydrogen atoms are attached, right? Then how many hybrid orbitals are required for formation of sigma? Hybrid orbitals form sigma bond and unhybrid orbitals form pi bond, right? Energy of hybrid is not equal to unhybrid orbitals, because hybrid orbitals are more stable than unhybrid orbitals. Sigma bond is more stable than pi bonds, right? Then what type of orbitals are required? Always hybrid. Okay, children? Now, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, this one is inner electrons. 1, 2, 3. This is sp2. This one is also sp2. In second case, only 2 p orbitals participate in intermixing of atomic orbitals or hybrid addition, right? This set is unhybrid. This one. Okay. First step is intermixing. How to show hybrid orbitals after intermixing? S, this is one sp2, second sp2, third sp2, and this one is unhybrid, right? This one is sp2 1, sp2 second, sp2 3. This one is inner orbital, right? Where paired electrons are present. This one is unhybrid, opposite spin. Each one of carbon only in excited form. After intermixing, the energy is equal, so no gap between N and 2. This is showing equivalent amount of energy, right? In C2H4, 2 hydrogen atoms are attached with each carbon, right? Which are forming sigma bonds. sp2 of one carbon and hydrogen atom, s orbital of hydrogen, right? Spin, electron with opposite spin. Second atom of hydrogen, electron with opposite spin like this. You can show half added or fully added like this, right? This one is sigma. This is sigma between carbon, carbon, carbon and carbon. This one is hydrogen S, hydrogen S, right? Carbon and hydrogen with opposite spin. Again, this is sigma bond between carbon-carbon which is showing overlapping, right? Then overlapping between sp2 and S, sp2 and S, sigma, sigma, because all are hybrid. Again overlapping between carbon and S, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, this one is sigma, this one is sigma, and in this case what occurs? Partial overlapping occurs, like this, which forms pi bond, right? This partial overlapping, what is resultant? Covalent bond, pi bond. Okay children? Now, hybrid structure C and C. One sigma bond between carbon and carbon, and what is the direction of alignment along the internuclear actions, right? One pair of electrons is present, this is sigma bond, right? Then sp2, sp2, hydrogen, hydrogen, okay? After hybrid addition, then overlapping. Overlapping between hybrid orbital and atomic orbital. Hybrid atomic. Each one, this dumbbell shape is sp2 hybridized. Okay children? Now compare this hybrid structure with this one. This hybrid structure is correct or not? One sigma bond between CC. This part is okay. 4 sigma bonds between CH, 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 CH. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is also correct. And one pi bond between C and C. Okay, hydrogen is not atom because only 4 hydrogen atoms are present. One pi bond between C and C because alignment is vertical, right? So this is showing vertical overlapping, which is pi. This is horizontal overlapping, which is sigma. Okay children? And what is its geometry? Trigonal, right? 1, 2 and 3. What is its shape? Tri. Again, this is common. 1, 2 and 3. What type of shape is obtained when 3 corners are joined? Trigonal triangle. Geometry is maintained in any type of compound, right? If type of hybrid addition is same type, sp2. Clear? Third type is sp, 1 s orbital and 1 p orbital, right? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 hybrid orbitals. An example of sp hybridization in organic chemistry, triple bonded compound. Triple means alkyne, like this. Okay? Alkyne means presence of 2 pi bonds, and this middle bond is sigma. Then sigma and sigma. This is bonding structure of ethine. Right? Now first step children, same step. Ground state, excited form. Only this hybridization part is a different part. In this case, what happens? How many orbitals? P orbitals are involved in this intermixing. Only one P, because only one sigma bond is present between C and C, right? 1s2, which is inner orbital, 2s1, 2p x1, 2p y1, 2p z1, right? Here presence of, in bonding structure, presence of 2 pi bonds, it means how many unhybrid orbitals are required? 2 sets, right? Second carbon, excited form, 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 1 and 2p, right? Then this type, sp type. After sp type, then how many hybrid orbitals are present, two only, sp, sp of one carbon, sp, sp of second carbon, right? And unhybrid orbitals two. There is difference in energies, some gap between two, like this. Now after hybridization, next step is overlapping. This is overlapping, okay? Overlapping means bond formation, right? One sigma bond between carbon. Okay children, one sigma. One sigma between carbon and hydrogen, like this. Shape is dumbbell. In case of hybrid structure, shape is required. Bonding only this notation. This one is hydrogen, H, pi and pi. This is bonding structure. Now, hybrid structure for this bonding or for this. One sigma bond. Now this is hybrid structure. Sigma bond between H and C, where one pair of electrons is present. Sigma between C and C, again one pair of electrons present. C and H, one pair of electron, right? Px, symmetry point of view. For overlapping, what is required? Symmetric structures. Px can overlap with Px, which is called positive overlapping. Resultant bond is pi, because direction is this vertical, right? Perpendicular. Py with Py, what is resultant bond? Pi. Okay? So this is hybrid structure. Okay, children? Now examples of inorganic compounds of Sp, Sp2 and Sp3 type of hybridization. Apply same method. Right? BeCl2. In case of Sp, geometrical shape is always linear and this molecule is also linear. Right? So you can verify this example, this compound is correct or not. Like this. BF3, 3 atoms, total 3. If it's possible, hybridization is Sp2. And geometrical shape is trigonal planar. Right? So this one is also right. NH4, NH3 shows what is trigonal planar due to presence of one lone pair of electron, like this. Nitrogen, one lone pair of electron. This is trigonal pyramidal, but this is NH4 plus. Plus means this lone pair forms coordinate bond with hydrogen ion, right? So what is its geometrical shape? Geometrical shape of ammonium ion is like geometrical shape of methane molecule. Only bonded electrons are present here. 4 electron pairs are present. So possible hybridization is Sp3. Okay children, apply same method. First step ground state, second step excited form, then overlapping, then hybrid addition, and last is overlapping. And after overlapping, hybrid structures.